In the wake of Hurricane Melissa's destruction, frustration is growing in Jamaica. Locals say the storm has exposed a deeper crisis: land ownership.
If I tell you that the recent devastation in parts of western Jamaica by Hurricane Melissa owes its historical genesis to slavery and the plantation system, would you believe me? Well, spend a few moments with me and I will explain why. In places such as Westmoreland, parts of St. James and St. Elizabeth, a lot of the land, especially in Westmoreland, remained leasehold lands and not freehold, meaning the persons who lease could not have purchased because the purchasers, the owners are not selling, they are in fact leasing them land. Prior to emancipation in 1838, there were no attempts by the ex-colonial masters or the plantation system to redistribute land in places like Westmoreland.